How to troubleshoot error Aura 20100 file TMP creation failed in executing the concurrent program cost manager. So you see I got this error while I ran the cost manager program from inventory responsibility. Let me quickly show you first the error and the root cause, and then I'm going to go and troubleshoot this error. So let's go to Oracle eBusiness Suite. Alright, so there I am. As you could see, this program cost manager, I ran it from inventory responsibility. It has completed in error, and when I look at the log of this cost manager, which is over here, I got this particular error. Can you see that? App FND 01564 Oracle error 20100 in CML MCM while processing the material transactions. And what is exactly the error? You see it has gave some details over here: failed due to Aura 20100 file .tmp creation failed. So file could not be opened or operated as requested, and the action which is recommended over here is make sure the directory /temp/ ebsdb is a valid directory with right permissions and is accessible from the database server node. So to troubleshoot this, it is clearly giving us the recommendation. So let's follow the recommendation. Let's go back to Oracle EBS server. So here I am logged into Oracle EBS server. So let me connect via another interface system to our server. So I've got this called as mRemoteNG, and here you see I've configured the instance to connect. So I'm going to connect to our server right from here, and let's see what. Okay, so I'm able to connect now. Okay, so what I'll do is I will simply change the user to Oracle like this, and then I'm gonna go to the temp directory like this, then see what's there in it. So let's see, based on the error, it states that there is no /tmp/ ebsdb. This directory isn't there. So let's see whether we can find ebsdb. You see it is not there. So I guess you've got to come out of this user, and using the root user I will go to /tmp, and then I'm going to create a directory under this, which is ebsdb, the one which is reported over here. You see the same name. Okay, you see it's over here, but it's owned by root, right? So you've got to change the ownership. So you can say something like chown ebsdb to Oracle, and maybe let's see if I say recursive. Okay, now I'm going to describe it again. So this time the ownership is changed, but the group is not changed. So I would say something like ch group. Okay, so instead of changing the group to Oracle, you see we have this group over here, install. So I'm gonna change it to this one. Okay, now we'll describe it again. So you see this time the ownership is Oracle and the group owned by install. Okay, so this directory is created. Now I'm going to go back and rerun that program. So I'm going to go to inventory, then I'm going to go into setup, transactions, interface managers, and then I'm going to choose my inventory organization as Seattle Manufacturing, codename M1, and then you see cost manager is inactive, so I'm going to go to tools, launch manager, and simply submit this program, and this request is submitted. So I'm going to go to view and request, then hit the find button to see all my requests. So previous request completed in error, and as you have seen, the error was shown as a permissions issue in this particular directory. So hopefully this time it should go through. So let's go back and wait. You see, now the child program is launched. It means that the permission issue is probably resolved, but let's wait for the entire program to finish off. Okay, so the child program completed in normal, whereas the parent program is still running. So let's wait for that to complete. So material cost transaction worker, I don't know if it shows the output. It doesn't show any output. Never mind, let's wait for it to complete in a while. So I guess the cost manager program is scheduled to run every 5 minutes, that you can go and view at the interface manager's form. So let me reopen this one. You see cost manager is now active and it is scheduled to run every 5 minutes. Okay, so I believe the request has spawned a child program. It's completed successfully. That itself states that this program has completed successfully. So this will now run every 5 minutes, and we have resolved this particular issue which was reported earlier, which was the directory temp / ebsdb doesn't have right permissions, and we created that directory and gave the right permissions to that. So if I go into this particular directory once again, let's see if at all it's got any data now. You see now it has created just 2 temporary files in it, which was earlier the system was unable to create out of execution of the cost program. So since it's able to create, we are not getting any errors at all. Hence this resolution is working. Thanks for watching.